Welcome to ScienceRaid. Have you ever wondered what our universe would be like if the fundamental constants of nature were different? In today's video, we explore the fascinating concept of altered constants and how they would reshape the cosmos as we know it. Imagine if the speed of light was slower, or if the gravitational constant was stronger. These fundamental constants govern the laws of physics, and changing them could have dramatic effects on everything from the formation of stars and galaxies to the existence of life itself. If the gravitational constant were stronger, stars would burn out faster, potentially shortening the lifespan of the universe. A slower speed of light would impact everything from communication across vast distances to the very fabric of space-time. The fine structure constant, which influences the strength of electromagnetic interactions, if altered, could change the chemistry of atoms, making life as we know it impossible. Exploring these scenarios helps us appreciate the delicate balance that makes our universe hospitable. It also provides insights into the multiverse theory, suggesting that other universes with different constants might exist, each with their own unique physical laws and realities. Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending journey through the possibilities of altered constants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ScienceRaid for more captivating explorations into the mysteries of the universe.